Why, hello there. Today we are on Sporkle, and we will be on various geography quizzes. On Sporkle, on Global, on Worldle. We will be on a lot of things. First, we are going to play Erase the USA backwards. So, from Z to A. So let's play. Wyoming. I live in the United States. I am confident that I'm going to get all of these. Wyoming, right there. Wisconsin, right there. West Virginia. Washington, right there. Virginia. Vermont, I think it's this one. Utah, right here. Texas. It won't let me scroll down. Texas, right there. Tennessee. South Dakota. South Carolina. How am I going to do this? Can't scroll down. How do I do this? Technical difficulties. Well, we kind of had some technical difficulties, so we're on Flags of the World quiz now. Which, I am confident on these. I know most of the flags. This one is Palestine. If I get the first one wrong. I spelt it wrong again. There. Okay, I'm a little bit confused on this. So we click on the one we want to answer. This one is the Maldives. Maldives. There we go. And then UK. Thailand. Burundi. This one, I'm unsure. I recognize the flag, but I'm unsure on that one. This one is Austria. Did I spell Austria wrong? Wait, is it Latvia? I think I spelled Austria wrong. Okay, we'll move on from that one. This one is Monaco. Wait, is it not Monaco? Now I'm second guessing myself. This one I think I can do. This one's Andorra? And this one's Denmark. I'm pretty sure that one's Palestine. This one's Pakistan. This one is New Zealand. Botswana. This one is Mauritius. If I don't spell it right, I guess we're moving on to the next one. Bahamas. Montenegro, right? Yes. Belize. Ireland. Palau. Tanzania. I think it's one of the saints. St. Kitts and Nevis? St. Vincent and the Grenadines? Maybe it's not one of the saints. The Grenadines. That is definitely not how you spell it. I have this odd feeling that it starts with the letter B for some reason. I'm just going to move on. Sri Lanka. This one's Austria. Wait, what was the other one? If this one's Austria. Whoa, this one's Peru. This one I still think is Monaco. I know it's at least a small country in Europe. It's probably not Monaco, though. Niger. South Africa. Ghana? Yes. Finland. Not how you spell Finland. China. Solomon Islands or Marshall Islands? Solomon Islands. This one I recognize. I think it's an African country. I'm not sure on that one. This one is South Sudan. Egypt. I think I misspelled it. There we go. Zambia. Armenia. Germany. Kyrgyzstan, which I don't think I can spell. Definitely can't spell it. I recognize it very well. I just don't remember. Okay. Moving on to Malaysia. Tonga. Cape Verde. Djibouti. Pretty sure that's how you spell it. I'm gonna go look how to spell this. Pretty sure that's how you spell it. Oh no. You put an I there. There we go. Then we have Argentina. I think this one is Tajikistan. Moving on, because I don't know how to spell that. Norway. That is how you spell Norway. Is it Iceland? Netherlands. I was not about to type France. Serbia. Marshall Islands. Senegal. Senegal? Maybe it's not Senegal. I think it's... Is it Cameroon? Yes. Switzerland. Mauritania. Can't spell that one either. This one is one of the saints. Saint Kitts Nevis. Saint Vincent and the Grenadines. Okay, moving on to Japan. Liechtenstein, I'm not even going to try to spell that. Croatia. Ooh. Kiribati. Vatican. Papua New Guinea. I still spelled it wrong. Guinea? No, I think it's this way. Guinea. Okay, I'm not going to try to spell that. This is Ivory Coast. We already had Ireland. Uzbekistan. Can't spell that. St. Lucia. Taiwan? No, Samoa. Norway. Bhutan. India. Oh, Barbados. Which I can't spell. Venezuela. Can't spell that one either. Jamaica. I think it's African. Not sure. This one is Uruguay, right? Or it's Paraguay. I think it's Uruguay. I knew how to spell this earlier. And I don't know how to spell it anymore. Not the DRC. Haiti. This is really plain, I don't know. Lithuania. Qatar. Can't spell that. Cyprus. Brazil. Chad. Romania. Russia. Russia next to Ukraine. Trinidad and Tobago. It's funny how I don't remember this when I'm doing the countries of the world, but I remember their flags. Interesting. And Tobago. Didn't spell that right. Togo. Tunisia. Paraguay? Grenada. Grenada. This one has to be Senegal. This one... Dominican... Dominica... Republic. This is Dominican Republic. I must have misspelled this. Dominican. No, I can't spell that. Belgium. Can't spell Belgium either. Czech Republic. Kosovo. Nicaragua. I did misspell it. It could be the other country that can be confused with Nicaragua. Nepal, Latvia, Chile, Turkey, North Macedonia, Kazakhstan, Sao Tome and Principe. I know this is the flag of Sao Tome and Principe. I didn't get it right. Ecuador. Chad. Burkina Faso. USA. Madagascar. Honduras. Colombia. How did I not spell Colombia right? Colombia. Okay. Benin. Uganda. Bahrain. Guess I didn't spell that one right either. Syria. Not Syria. Jordan? Not Jordan. Don't know that one. Turkmenistan. I wasn't expecting to spell that right. Panama. This one's Saint. Oh. 62% score. I am a little slow at this, so. Suriname. That's one we got wrong. Namibia. I could have gotten one. We got most of them right that we did. Some we didn't know how to spell, obviously. We did get Honduras right. Did we get Nicaragua? No, it was El Salvador. Anyway, on to the next quiz. Okay, moving on to speed geography quiz. So we're supposed to answer questions. Name a country beginning with N. Nigeria. Oh, we have an answer. Okay, good. Okay. In which American state is Grand Canyon? Arizona. Did I spell that right? What city is home to the Eiffel Tower and the Louvre? Paris. Which of these seas is the largest? Red, Deaf, or North? I think it's red. It's probably Deaf. No. What are Niagara, Angel, and Victoria all examples of? Oh, Niagara. Oh, waterfalls. It's the Niagara Falls. On which continent is Bhutan? Asia. Lisbon. The River Nile runs through which capital city? Cairo. How many American states are there beginning with T? Tennessee, Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, California, Colorado, Connecticut. I think it's 2. Which country's flag depicts... Oh, Canada. Madagascar is an island, Africa. How many countries are there in South America, not including French Guiana? 10, 11, 12. Which of these countries is the smallest? I think it's Monaco. In which city is the tallest mountain above sea level in the world? Oh, not city, country. Nepal. What is the name of that mountain? Mount Everest? Not in Russia. Okay. We had a lot more questions to go, but we did pretty good at that. Now I think we're going to move on to global. So global is a game that updates every day. So there's a new country available every day. And it could be any country in the world. And this is our only chance at it, actually. So we just name a country, and if it's a warm color, then it's close. I'm going to guess Peru. Is Peru close at all? So it's not that far away. It is in kilometers. I can't read kilometers, but I think it would be somewhere around here. So maybe like in the Caribbean. I think a little bit more north. I'm gonna go Canada. So maybe it's in the middle of these. Cuba. No, it's probably more like over here. could be over here. Canada is kind of close to all of these. Let's go Philippines. Nowhere close. It is very distorted on the top of this. So maybe Iceland? Iceland is warmer. So maybe it is in Europe. I'm gonna go Greece. Greece is warmer. Not that far away. Maybe Morocco. Warm, okay. Sierra Leone. I did not spell that right. So I think it's a little more this way. Nigeria. Very, very close. Okay. Cameroon. Not as close. Maybe it's Mali. No. Is it Ghana? Adjacent. I think it's Togo. Nice. Only 13 guesses. So, I mean, that is actually quite a lot. We managed to get there. Moving on to world tool. So we have to guess what this country here is, which I don't really know. If I were to guess, I would guess Afghanistan. 27. Wait, not that much accuracy. So we are down to the west. Down to the west of that. And this country outline, maybe Gabon? Still down that way, okay. Maybe it's a tiny country like Eswatini. Just up above Eswatini. Is it like Zambia? It was Zambia, okay. And we have more rounds to play of this. The neighboring countries of Zambia. There is Angola on this? No, DRC. It doesn't accept DRC. I think that's Namibia. Namibia? Angola might be on this. I don't see it. I know Zimbabwe. I'm going to guess Angola. There we go. That was Angola. I thought that was Angola. I think we see Malawi on here. Mozambique. I think Botswana would be on here. The other one I'm unsure of. Tanzania? Yes. Okay. And is there anything else? Oh, there's the next round. Okay. Can you guess the capital city? No. Let's just see our options. What would Zambia start with? Maybe the capital city starts with a Z. Let's just guess that. I'm not going to be able to guess this. Maybe it starts with B. Maybe this. What, Zag? Oh, okay. I was wondering why there was a Z one, but I guess that. Maybe this? Lusaka. Okay. Well, I know the flag, Zambia. What can I say? I know my flags. Oh, that one flag? That was Mozambique. I knew it was in Africa. Which one of these facts is true about Zambia? Top 20 in rail transport network size? I doubt it. Top 20 in number of World Heritage Sites? Maybe. Top 20 in annual tourist arrivals? Definitely not. Drives on left. Normally the countries that drive on the left are ones connected to the UK. So I doubt that one. I'm going to guess this. It was drive on the left. Okay. A staple of Zambian cuisine is blank. A thick maize porridge. Oh, that sounds disgusting. Eaten with savory relishes by hand at many family meals. Ugali. Not Ugali. First president who led the country from independence in 1964 until 1991 was this person. Well, I'm not sure. Not really sure on this one. This is a little confusing. Let me refresh. It's not letting me click. I think it would be Julius Nyerere. I definitely didn't say that one right. I think it would be something around those lines, though. Maybe. Something like that. Okay. Well, something went wrong. I'm using a picture right now. I don't know. I like talking with my Minecraft skin. It's kind of odd, but I like doing it. So I think that is the end of the video because we don't have anything else to do because it won't load. But that is the end of the video. So, yeah. Bye!